Today in this lecture we will learn properties of rational numbers. There are some properties of rational numbers like closure property, commutative property and associative property. Let us explore these properties on four binary operations that are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in mathematics. We will discuss the properties of addition. So first property that is given over here is additive inverse and identity. When 0 is added to any number, the result is always the number. Or addition of 0 to any number does not change the number. For example, if we add 4 and 0, the answer will be 4. 0 is the identity element under additional operation or the additive identity. Now let's come towards the second point, that is additive inverse. Now suppose that we have a pair of numbers, that is 2 and minus 2. The pair of numbers are of the same distance from 0 while their addition gives 0. That means minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 is the additive inverse of 2. Now let's understand the same thing with the help of example. First number that is given over is minus 5. The additive inverse of the minus 5 will be 5 and the addition of minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Second example is 14. The inverse of 14 will be minus 14 and the addition of both of the numbers gives 0. So the additive inverse of the number is the same number but with the different sign. Let's see another example. The number is minus 3 over 2. The inverse or opposite of minus 3 over 2 will be 3 over 2. And then we will add these two numbers and the answer that we have is 0. So minus 3 over 2 is the given number, 3 over 2 is the additive inverse and the answer that is 0 is the identity. Now let's understand the second property of addition, that is closure property. The sum of any two rational number is always a rational number. This is known as closure property of addition of real numbers. Now let's see the example that is given over here is 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9. The denominators of both numbers are same. That's why we will write the 9 as it is and add the number 2 and 4. The answer will be 6 over 9. When we convert 6 over 9 into standard form, the answer will be 2 over 3 and 2 over 3 is a rational number. Hence, the sum of any two rational number is always a rational number. Second property is commutative property. If a over b, e over d are any two rational numbers, then a over b plus c over d is equal to c over d plus a over b. That means two rational numbers can be added in any order, the answer will be same. Now let's understand this property through an example. We will use the same example that we used in the previous property, that is 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9. The answer will be 2 over 3. Now in second step, we will change the order of the numbers. We will write 4 over 9 first and then 2 over 9. After adding these both numbers, the answer will be the same with the previous one, that is 2 over 3. Hence it is proved the addition of two rational number is commutative. Next property is associative property. If a over b, c over d and e over f are any three rational numbers, then a over b plus into c over d plus e over 4 is equal to into a over b plus c over d plus e over f. That means three or more rational numbers can be grouped in any order. To find their sum, the answer will be same. Now let's understand the given property with the help of example. 2 over 9 plus into 4 over 9 plus 1 over 9. First of all, we will solve the values that are in brackets. that are 4 over 9 plus 1 over 9. The answer will be 5 over 9 because the denominators are same. After that we will solve 2 over 9 plus 5 over 9. The answer will be 7 over 9. Now second time we will change the order of the values, and after solving them the answer will be 7 over 9, that is the same with the previous one. Hence proved addition of rational number is associative. Now we will see the properties of subtraction. When one rational number is subtracted from another rational number, the difference is another rational number. If a over b and c over d are any two rational numbers, then a over b minus c over d is also a rational number. Now let's understand this concept with the help of an example. The values that are given over here are 5 over 9 and 2 over 9. When we subtract these two values, the denominator will be 9 because the denominator of both values are same, and after that we will subtract 5 and 2 and the answer will be 3. After changing that value into standard form, we will get 1 over 3, and 1 over 3 is a rational number. The second property of subtraction is commutative property. If a over b and c over d are any two rational numbers, then a over b minus c over d is not equal to c over d minus a over b. Let's understand this concept with the help of an example. The values that are given over here are 5 over 9 and 2 over 9. When we subtract these two values, we will get 1 over 3. For the second time, we will change the order of the values. We will put 2 over 9 first and after that 5 over 9. The answer will be minus 1 over 3. So the answer of first order was 1 over 3 and the second order was minus 1 over 3. That means subtraction of two rational number is not commutative. The third property is associative property. If a over b, c over d and e over f are any three rational numbers, then a over b minus into c over d minus e over f is not equal to into a over b minus c over d minus e over f. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So the values that we have are 2 over 4 over 9 and 1 over 9. First of all, we will put the last two values into brackets. First of all, we will solve those values which are in brackets. So we will subtract 4 over 9 and 1 over 9. The answer will be 3 over 9. Then we will subtract 2 over 9 and 3 over 9. The answer will be minus 1 over 9. For the second time, we will put two values into brackets. First of all, we will solve first two values. The answer will be minus 2 over 9. Then we will solve minus 2 over 9 and 1 over 9. The answer will be minus 3 over 9. So that means subtraction of rational number is not associative because the answer of left hand side and right hand side is not equal. Next, we will discuss the properties of multiplication. So first of all, multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity of the rational numbers. The reciprocal of a rational number is its multiplicative inverse. Now let's see different example of multiplicative inverse that are given over here. First of all, 2 over 3. The multiplicative inverse of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. Multiplicative inverse of 1 over 3 is 3. And the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 over 3. Number is multiplied by its multiplicative inverse. The answer is 1. Because when we are multiplying, same numbers can cancel out each other and will result into 1. If multiplication of two rational numbers result into 1, then these two rational numbers are called multiplicative inverse of each other and result is called multiplication identity, that is 1. Next property is closure property of multiplication. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Now let's see the example that is given over here is 5 over 9 multiplied by 2 over 9. We will multiply 5 and 2 and 9 with 9. So 5 2s are 10 and 9 9s are 81. The answer will be 10 over 81 and it is a rational number. Next property is associative property. If A over B, C over D and E over F are any three rational numbers, then A over B multiplied by into C over D multiplied by E over F is equal to into A over B multiplied by C over D multiply E over F. Let example that is given over here. Three values are given. First 2 over 9 by into 4 over 9 multiplied by 1 over 9. First of all, we will solve those values which are in brackets, that are 4 over 9 multiplied by 1 over 9. The answer will be 4 over 81. After that, we will solve the rest of the values which are 2 over 9 multiplied by 4 over 81. The answer will be 8 over 729. Now we will solve the same values, but we will place the brackets around the first two values. So first of all, we will solve the values which are in brackets. These are 2 over 9 multiplied by 4 over 9. The answer will be 8 over 81. After that, we will solve 8 over 81 multiplied by 1 over 9. The answer will be 8 over 7. Both answers are, that means multiplication of rational number is associative. Next one is commutative property of multiplication of rational numbers. If A over B and C over D are any two rational numbers, then A over B multiplied by C over D is equal to C over D multiplied by A over B. Let's see the example. 5 over 9 multiplied by 2 over 9. 5 2s are 10, 9 9s are 81. Now for the second time, we will change the order of the values. So 2 over 9 multiplied by 5 over 9 is equal to 10 over 81. So multiplication of rational number is commutative. Now we will discuss the properties of division. If A over B and C over D are two rational numbers such that C over D is not equal to 0, then A over B divided by C over D is always a rational number. Now let's see the example. 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 1. When we convert divide into multiply, 1 over 3 will be changed into 3 over 1. And after that we will multiply the numbers. 3 will cancel the other 3 and 2 will be multiplied by 1. 2 ones are 2. And 2 is a rational number.